Okay, in this video, we're going to cover invisible parentheses for fractions, and so they're also called unseen parentheses. And it kind of works because the fraction bar itself is a grouping symbol. And further, to add or subtract fractions, we got to have a common denominator. And we're going to solve these four problems to really illustrate these invisible parentheses. Now, with invisible parentheses, we get to group the numerator. So we have parentheses 5 minus 2, close it, divided by 3. And this is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. This right here is our correct answer. Now, you may say, can we do this? 5 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3. We have a common denominator of 3, so keep our 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 is equal to 3, which is 1. This is also correct. Now, this works because we have a common denominator of 3. Now, we'll do this problem, and we're going to try both ways to really illustrate this invisible parentheses. So same idea, 3 divided by parentheses 5 minus 2, close it, is equal to 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. This right here is our correct answer. Now let me do something that's not correct. 3 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 2. Obviously this is not correct because 3/5 minus 3/2 is definitely not going to give us 1. We can further show this if we get a common denominator. Times 2 times 2, so we get 6 divided by 10 minus times 5 times 5, so minus 15 divided by 10, which is negative 9 divided by 10. Again, we don't have a common denominator, and so for fraction we must have a common denominator, and again, the fraction bar is a grouping symbol. And that's why this does not work. Now we'll do another example to really highlight this point. So parentheses 36 minus 4 squared is 16, so minus 16, parentheses, divided by 5 is equal to 36 minus 16 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. And so 4 is our final answer. Now, we have a common denominator, so if you wanted to, you could split. You could say 36 divided by 5 minus 16 divided by 5. Again, common denominator, which is 5. So in a way, this is already being grouped. 36 minus 16, we get 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. But like, if you already knew what 36 divided by 5 was, like if you knew like the decimal number, and you knew this one, the decimal number, when you combine them, you would get 4. Now, if I use the calculator, 36 divided by 5 is going to give me 7.2, and 16 divided by 5 is going to give me 3.2, so minus 3.2, which is 4. Again, we can do this because we have a common denominator. All right, now we'll solve the last problem. So same idea, 5 divided by parentheses 36 minus 16, close it, is equal to 5 divided by 20, which is equal to 1/4. So this right here is the correct answer. Now let's solve the incorrect answer. So I'm going to highlight bad, don't do this, because we don't have a common denominator. So if I did this, 5 divided by 36 minus 5 divided by 16, this is bad. This is incorrect because we don't have a common denominator. This right here would be incorrect. And that's pretty much it with invisible parentheses.